Welcome to US Mix YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss about change the capitalization or case of Microsoft Word 10 text of Microsoft capitalization or case of the text Microsoft Word 2010 text. If you uh, if we write anything in this Microsoft Word, then we'll just want to change this text capitalization, make it lowercase or it uppercase. How can we make changes this capitalization? We'll discuss here. Today we'll discuss about this capitalization. So you can change the capitalization or case of selected text in a document by clicking on a single window on the home tab called change case. This is the Microsoft Word change case. To change the case of selected text in a document, do the following. Open this Microsoft 10 this application, then select the text for the which you want. Before you select, then we want to read something in this blank space. So before, in the previous tutorial we learn about how to how can we get this default by default some text which is written by Microsoft Word, and we just put it the some common tab, common text here, this equal to RAND, then this, and press enter. Then this Word document, this text will be shows. It is written by default in Microsoft Word. Select the text which you want to change the case. Then I want to change on the insert tab this text. So before we just select this from the text which part I want to change this. Then I just go for this in the font. Here is the font. In the font tab there is a option A and small s. This is the A is capital and is small, and this is called this change cases. Here we just click, and there is a 5 options. One is sentence case, one is lowercase, then another is uppercase and capitalization each word, and toggle case. And we just start this sentence case. So I just click on sentence case. Then there is no changes because it is already selected as a sentence case. If I want to lowercase, if I click on this lowercase, then all these tabs, all the letters will be small. On small, the small, insert small, tab also small. Then if I go to the uppercase, then all the portions go to the convert to the upper, means capital letter. And if we go click on this capitalization each word, then all the beginning letter of this selected text going to capital. Then on, in the on word, O is capital, the T is capital, insert I is capital, and tab T is capital. You can do it by just clicking on the selected this text. And if you want to change this toggle case, click on toggle case, then it convert in looking like that. On O is small, N is capital, the T is small, H E is the capital, I small, NSERT, insert I is small, and the other word is other letter is going capital, tab T is small, and other letter A and B is capital. So, and this is the another style. So if we write something, some letters, some paragraphs, some articles, so all we just use as sentence cases. But if we give some headings or headlines, then we will just use this capitalization case, capital each word, or uppercase. That is these all is are usable. If a toggle case is a very small cases, we just use this toggle case. It is for highlighting some advertisement and all this that. So this is the easiest way to change the capitalization case of the any text. So do the following. Just I want to this follow this text. Do the following: to capitalization first letter of a sentence, to to capitalization the first letter of a sentence and leave all the other case as lowercase, click sentence case. To exclude capital letters from your text, click lowercase. To capitalization all other letters, click uppercase. To capitalization the first letter of each word and leave the other letters lowercase, click capitalization each word. To shift between two cases views, for example, to shift between capitalization each word and the opposite capitalization each word, this is the written as look like that, click toggle cases. And the tips is that to apply small capital small caps on your text, select the text and then on the home tab in the front group click arrow the lower right corner. So if you select this case, select this text, if you select this text and if we just click on this tab, this is the font is going high and in this text is going low. So for the everything is selected before we just make changes, we just select this text which part of your paragraph or article or letters you want to make changes. Then before we make changes, we just select the text and make changes easily from this front section of word in home tab. So to undo the cases, please Ctrl Z. It is easy process, you know this before previous tutorial. Ctrl Z means undo the changes cases. In everything it is used as Ctrl Z. To use a keyboard shortcut to change between the lowercase, uppercase and capitalization each word, select the text and press Shift plus F3 until the case you want to applied or in the word 2010. So this is the simple easiest way you can make it changes from keyboard by pressing Shift plus F3 button. So I think it is easier way to capitalize your text in Microsoft by doing from there make changes, just clicking on this arrow and this going the sentence case is already selected, the lower case, then all the letters are going small and if we click as uppercase, then all the selected text will be capital letter and capitalization each word, then means there's all the beginning letter and of the selected text will be that the beginning letter is small for the selected text and the toggle case, and for the first the beginning word is small and other letter is beginning letter is small and other letters are the capital letter. So it is not required here where we required this sentence case. So it is simply going to the previous, we can make changes from there. This is easiest way to make changes from there. So today we'll thanks for watching US Mix YouTube channel. If you have any question, please ask here in the comment box. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.